Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a special pop-up card. Ta-da! Using the Thanks and Beyond dies. I'll give you a side view. But it closes so it can be mailed. These Thanks and Beyond dies are an add-on to the Paper Pumpkin subscriptions, a monthly crafting kit that will come to your house every month. You can subscribe monthly, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on it. And sometimes they have these extra add-ons that you can also purchase or coordinate with different stamp sets, different kits. We'll start with a card base at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. A piece of DSP. This DSP is called Thoughtful Designs. It's a specialty designer series paper. It has a very ombre look of the DSP, so each piece looks a little different. For the mechanism, we have a 3" by 4" piece that is scored at 1, 2, and 3 inches, and then the little tab that we need is 3/4 by 2 1/4 and scored at 1 1/4, and then just a piece of basic white to die cut, and I'll show you how to die cut the butterfly. So we'll go ahead and fold along the score line. Use my bone folder to make a nice and crisp fold. Then the lovely DSP we're going to glue on before we die cut that hexagon shape. So we're going to go ahead and put some glue. That's my Xbox technique. Box and an X. From my teacher days. You're going to center that on there. And if you'd like, you don't have to do this, but I like to just kind of smooth out so the glue can spread out while it's still sticky. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the hexagon shape and put it through the cut and emboss machine. And I just do it toward just enough room. I don't know, I think that's about a little less than 1 inch on the top. I'll be right back. And this is what you'll get. I'm going to put the die back on my magnet sheet there. So I'll open that up. Take the mechanism here and just fold it in the same direction, all 4 folds, to make a cube. I'm going to bring in my bone folder just to make sure that those are nice and crisp again. There. And then all you need to do is only put adhesive on the ends, not the middle. I consider these the ends. So then glue here. Then you're going to line it up along the fold, but leave some room. So center it. Let's see if I can center it while I'm looking on the camera. Not all the way up to the fold, and then close it. It's almost centered. There we go. Like that. Then we're going to go ahead and die cut the butterfly also. And what's cool about the die is you can actually cut just the butterfly, but it'll still stay in the paper, and then you have to cut the outside, so you have to run it through like this. And when you do that, it looks like this. So the outside one, so then you can actually kind of fold up this part so it's 3-dimensional. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on here, but only the edges, because I want that part to pop up, the middle part to pop up of the butterfly. So try not to get the other parts. There. Push that down. And then for the lovely mechanism, you just fold it this way. And do you see the long part right here? So the long part's actually going to go here. Okay, so let me put some glue on that. And it's a little longer than the actual cube, so only put a little bit on this side. Then glue on the other tab. Oh, I got a little bit on the card. And then this will fit right in. So you just match it up. Let that glue set. Oops. A little too excited. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so the magic happens as you open it. Ta-da! You can put sentiment here, sentiment here. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the thanks and cut that out. So I went ahead and cut that out. Isn't that lovely? Alright, let's break out the glue. Sparingly. Try not to put too much so it doesn't ooze out as much. A light touch, a light squeeze is the secret here. And I think, should I put it here? I think that'll be a good surprise as they open it. And there you go. Fun fold card using the Thanks and Beyond dies that are add-ons from the Paper Pumpkin. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to like, comment, or subscribe, or all three. But be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more of these video tutorials. I love sharing things with you. So thanks and have a great day. Bye.